Hey there. So today's conversation is about something that's actually been on my mind a lot lately, something that seems mundane but is, in fact, super important for our organization. Let me explain why it matters so much and how we can leverage the powers of the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center's search capabilities to manage content effectively and ensure we are compliant, all at the same time. We all know how significant data governance and compliance standards are for our organization. They're not just buzzwords, they hold the foundation for our trust with stakeholders, regulatory bodies, and even ourselves. And that's where the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center comes into play, particularly the search functionality within it. Yes, a simple search might seem insignificant, but believe me, this capability could be a real time saver while ensuring everything's in order and compliant. Setting things up initially is a crucial part of the process. As per our compliance requirements and regulations, we can set up various permissions for our different groups or teams, administrators, compliance officers, auditors, etc. While doing this, we need to ensure that only the right people have access to search and manage the content they're allowed to access. This is pivotal not only from security aspects, but also to maintain an audit trail. Now, getting into the nitty-gritty, the search functionality is more than just simple keyword matching, there's a lot more beneath the surface here. It's important to understand that Microsoft 365 Search leverages a combination of traditional search methods, like using phrases and file extensions, and also intelligent and advanced search with the capability to use Boolean operators, wildcards, and, of course, the power of machine learning to improve search results over time. For an instance, you want details about a specific document or email but unsure of the file name? Use file properties, MIME types or metadata like who authored it or when it was received to find it quickly. Similarly, if you are trying to find an old communication chain within Exchange Online using advanced search features like folder level, older helps in locating specific content quickly and easily. Or need to search for emails within a given time frame across different mailboxes or even the entire organization? A simple search using date pickers on both ends can do that for us effortlessly. Furthermore, using the Compliance Center, we can create custom reports that provide valuable insights into our search activities. This helps us audit our compliance efforts, evaluate where improvements can be made, and, in essence, helps us manage it all with efficiency. But remember, the power of the search doesn't end here. Regular training sessions on how to effectively use the search tool could uncover its full potential. A little education goes a long way toward empowering teams to manage their data better and ensure compliance. Imagine the time and resources saved if we had a robust and well-leveraged search capability in our hands. We'd have faster incident response times, quick decisions on content accessibility, and an efficient audit trail. A well-utilized search tool within the Compliance Center can contribute to making our organization more adaptable to changes in data regulations or guidelines without compromising on security. Now, I've been meaning to subscribe to a channel that I have recently discovered, TechLab. They delve into various aspects of Microsoft 365 tools and compliance best practices, which can provide valuable real-time insights to keep our systems efficient and secure. I think we could all benefit from sharing knowledge and staying updated like this. So, now that we understand the importance of content searching in Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, let's look at ways to enhance our search skills. Regular training, regular audits, and feedback loops will contribute to a well-maintained data governance system. At the end of the day, the aim is not just to maintain compliance, but also to build an inclusive, efficient organization around secure data management. Now, by the time we finish this conversation, let's not forget to take action. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. After all, what are friends for if not to help each other stay ahead in this technology-driven world? Hey, thanks for reading and understanding the core importance of the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center's content search. Feel free to share this and spread the word because, in this age, staying informed is as essential as staying together. See you around for more tech gossips and tech life lessons.